We're told not to skate here. We're at Key West, guys. I told you, reach Key West. I'm doing a short video. My friend will take the rest. My phone's kind of low. 54.03%. Welcome to Key West. Krugersdorp. You just started there from the 3rd floor. 4th floor is closed. They blocked it off because I used to come skate a long time ago. Dis dood, bro. Ek kom om 'n YouTube video te maak en dis dood. Ek hoor as mense hierso wat skate, nou is daar niks nie. So wat sê jy van die stilte, JP? Huh? It's bad, huh? For a skate track. Ja, hartstikke.